Hello everyone, welcome to RPA Learners, and in this video we're going to see the second phase of an RPA life cycle, which is analysis and documentation. In the analysis phase, the business analyst and the subject matter experts or the clients, the business team will be involved to see whether they can improve the process or they can add something to the process that makes the RPA more reliable. Let's take an example of the that I said in the previous video. The users are submitting the data from the contact form, right? Let's say if we take on what particular tool they are asking the query, and if we add that particular field, we can gather more information about, uh, let's say, more number of users are asking for UiPath, or more number of users are asking for Robocop. We can gather those type of details with adding that particular field there, so that is one analysis of adding something to the business users or the business form fields where the users interact and gather their data. So those under comes with the analysis phase, and also adding something specific to the RPA so that the business can analyze it and get the info about what bot is doing. And this is one kind of an example. Let me show you another example of analysis that can be done with the example that we are looking at in this series of videos, right? So let me go ahead and show you what different that we can do here, and let me log into that. So this is the process. After logging in to the service, now we need to go to incidents and create a service incident, right? And let's call the incidents here, and these are the incidents. These are, let's go to service desk incidents. Right here, if I go here in any of the incident, right, we will see there is one area called caller, and if I go to create a new ticket, right, let's create a new ticket. Here, if you see, there is an option called caller. This is something that an user name, the person who is actually doing this, reporting this incident or creating a ticket with the data that is already there. For that, you can search a particular user, right? These are the example users that the service now has. Let's say I don't want this, I want this to be an RPA user, so that we can identify what RPA is doing, how many records it is creating, and what the work it is doing. And we can also differentiate if there is something wrong is inputted, who did this, either a user did it or an RPA bot actually inserted this particular record or not. So we can create an RPA user, right? Let's create an RPA learners user ID, so that we will do everything with this user records, right? So this is an RPA learners user, and I don't think we need other details. Let's create let's click on submit, and it is created. Now if you type here RPA, it will take RPA learners this time. So we will use that. Let's invalid reference. Okay, let's, I think we need to add the email as well. Let's see if it is created or not. RPA, no, let's create another one. What are the mandatory fields here? Okay, RPA learners. example.com, I guess. For the other user IDs, okay, there is already a user, but it is showing us no user. So let's see that. I will see that. And this is another advantage that we can use by using specific users for RPA in order to process it. This is something comes under the analysis phase, where you analyze all the other things that the business is doing and suggesting them what changes they might be doing in order to get the exact results of implementing RPA. And in the documentation phase, we will document the same process that I am showing you in the next video. So stay tuned to that. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.